Hello, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, today we're going to continue our requirement analysis video for another college, which is 76th college, and it was also mentioned in some of the comments that please make a requirement analysis of this particular video. That's the reason I'm making this requirement analysis for Hamburg University of Applied Science for the course Microelectronics or Systems, Microelectronic Systems, that's the course name, and this will be 76th college. And you can also see our 96 search criteria that we have already made up for electrical engineering, including summer and winter both, and less than 50% online also included, but this is as of now complete online offline course. Nothing is online complete, so no need to worry. Then full-time on-site, and there are tuition fees up to 5,000 euros is also considered. That's the reason there are 96 search criteria. Here also bilingual courses are included. Say example, you will also need some of the courses you need German B1 level as an entry requirements. With this search criteria, we already did 75 requirement analysis videos. You can also check out our playlist, which is dedicated for complete electrical and computer science colleges, whichever the colleges are there in Germany, which you can pursue for electrical and computer science, where you can get to know the requirements, what are the requirements that each college have, what are the documents you need to have, then where to apply. Then if you get to know where to apply and you have all documents, then please check out our application video also. Then in the application video you can go through the steps how I showed you how to apply. Then you can also follow the same procedure, then apply, then get an admission. This is how it's simple. And then if you're seeing me for the first time and if you don't know anything about this channel, then please check out our channel. Here we teach people how to get into German university, what are the documents that you need, what are the requirements analysis that you need, and how to apply. After that, we also help in visa matters, and you can also get one-on-one session with me. Without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I mentioned, today we will be doing our Hamburg University of Applied Science for Microelectronic Systems. And in the requirement analysis, I usually go through overview, course detail, cost and funding, requirements, registration, services about the university. So in the overview, you can just see the Master of Science in Microelectronic System in Hamburg, and in cooperation with FH West Coast 2. Then teaching language is in English. Then language is only held in English, and German is not required for applying for this program also. So if you are applying for this particular program also, you don't need to have your German at any cost. So complete English is fine. But student can choose individual where they want to write the examination in the either in the English or German. They can choose it, but for a prerequisite, if you are an English speaker, there is no prerequisite that you need to have sufficient German in order to get into admission of this particular course. Then part-time, full-time, it is full-time. Program duration 3 semester. Beginning of semester, both in winter and summer, both are there. Then application deadline at HAW Hamburg, winter semester only. Application period is from 1st June to 15th July. So this application you can only do in winter semester only if you are applying with HAW Hamburg. Then it is application period is 1st June to 15th July. Program starts in October. Okay, for that you need to go and have a bachelor degree certified, checked, and in the UniAssist to get a VPD. So VPD is nothing but they will convert your bachelor degree grade into German grade and give a certificate that yes, your bachelor degree is correct, and also your grade is converted to German GPA. So that is the VPD. Then with VPD you can use the HAW online application system to apply for this particular course. Then you don't need to send your documents with the post mail, so just complete your application, that's fine. So online only application, there is no need of submitting the documents after submit via post, but you need to have VPD before you need to apply in their portal, so don't forget that. Then if you have any questionnaires, please contact the student secretariat. Then application deadline and requirements of the program, it will start in March. FH Heide can be found in DART-GATE database profile. But yeah, these are the things, it's fine, but the application period is from 1st June to 15th July. That program starts in October. Then we have missed the deadline for previous winter semester. Then we have to wait for next winter semester. But what you can do before that, only you can get your VPD for this particular bachelor certificate for this particular HAW online. You can go into UniAssist, check for the VPD for HAW, say example, or Hamburg University of Applied Science. There will be a VPD for Fasher or particularly for this particular course. Then apply, then get the VPD. If you want, we have also made a VPD application for TU Munich. You can also check out that. And tuition fees is none. Combined degree master program is also not possible. Joint degree is also not possible. Description of the content. So the master degree or master program is made up of 2 semester, theory and practice. So in winter semester you will do system on chip, embedded signal processing, smart sensors, sustainable energy project 1, generic elective module 1. In the summer semester you will do microtechnology, chip design, machine learning, embedded devices, high speed digital design, sustainable research project 2 and general elective 2. After completing 1 and 2nd semester, in 3rd semester you will do your master thesis. In the course details you can also see the same information, how it is divided into each particular course, and this is the complete module handbook. You can go through what are the subjects that they are teaching. Okay, system on chip, say example, then you can also go towards that system on chip, what content that they are teaching and who is the professor that he is teaching. You can also check out his LinkedIn profile if it is there. Otherwise you can also go, always take this name, search in IEEE Explorer or any Explorer where you can get the research oriented papers. Then you will get to know what is his area of research, what is into. Then you can also see what are the learning outcomes after doing this subject, what you gonna learn and things like that. So please, I suggest go check out this PDF, then you will get more information about your course, what you're doing. Then integrated internship, the program does not include an integrated internship, but most students complete their master thesis in industries, so then you will get a 6 months of exposure. But if you, when you are applying for thesis, you can also do volunteer internship, convert after that to thesis also you can do. Nobody says no for that. Cost and funding, tuition fees is none, as I told you. Then semester contribution is around 379 euros as of September 2025. So consider it as to be as 380 euros, say example. Then, so in this 300 semester ticket, you will also include your semester ticket, unlimited to Hamburg public transport is the general. But as of now, you will also get your Deutschland ticket where you can freely travel entire Germany without any restriction, but you have to use only regional bonds, and in currency also regional trans. For information you can just check this link. Then cost of living in Hamburg, it depends on person to person, but it is estimated up to 700 to 900 per rent, food expenses, other things. But for in order to save money, I usually suggest you guys to check their student and Wohnung in order to get cheaper accommodation. But if you can't live in 700 to 900, then you want to live in more money, then you have to please check out and get a part-time job by technical terms. Say example, you can also apply for HAW, work student, internship and other things. If you don't get in technical way, then please get for non-technical jobs like working in warehouse, restaurants and other things. But funding opportunity within the university, there is no funding opportunity within the university. Requirements and registration, academic requirements, what are the things that you need to have? You need to have a bachelor degree in electrical engineering, electronics, communication, mechatronics, comparable subject with 210 ECTS, okay. But in degree program similar to those mentioned, at least 150 credit points must be allocated in the field of information and communication technology or electronics or information electrical engineering. This is the core subject that they are looking for. You need to either do electrical engineering, electronics communication, information technology or electronic telecommunication, the closely related field. Then proof of English language efficient ability. If English is not your first language, see the language requirement. We will see here the language requirement is B2. So you need to have IELTS 6.5 and above or 6 and above. Other than that, if you have bachelor degree of 180 ECTS, which is in our case, because in our bachelor VTU also you will have 200, 210 is not met, there is still 10 missing, and there are so many people who say also their credit points is almost 180. Then if you're missing 30 credit points, then within the first 2 semester you can also enroll fully and attend some of the further 30 credit course that if they say you need to do it, okay. Then proof of professional experience can also be added points, and proof of professional experience documented in application CV, reference letter from the employer will help you mitigate that 30 credit points. If nothing there, then they will give a conditional admit. Say example, you need to finish your 30 ECT credit points which are left in first and second semester, then you need to finish it. That's how it is simple, no need to worry. Then we already got to know the application deadline, 1st June to 15 July for next October winter semester. Then we will apply in that particular online application portal. Before that, you need to apply via UniAssist in order to get a VPD. After getting a VPD, come here and apply via this particular link. Other than that, you can check for services. As we already talked about, you students can work up to 20 hours per week, and you will also have, if you are German visa, then you need to fulfill this block account. 10,236 236 euros is the block amount. As of now, you need to block. Then when you are done, then you can also start working after coming here with a student visa. You can start working 140 full days or 280 half days in one calendar year. You can work as an HEB, work student, anything where you can also earn money. So see you in next videos. Until then, check care. Bye bye.